Hello again. Welcome back. As you can see, it's not going the greatest today or this past week. Let's just take a look at that. So it shows us down, but as of right now, that's an unrealized loss. So what I'm hoping to do is not realize that. Look at our position here. So back up. Over the past week, Bitcoin, I was expecting it to bounce, but instead it wrecked pretty hard. Not as bad as yesterday. It's been up today compared to yesterday, but still down compared to a week ago. Pretty hard. Which is, of course, affecting Riot. So, just take a look at that. Yeah. Up today over yesterday, but down pretty hard in the past week. So, this is a good opportunity to look at what do you do in a case like this. I got a cash secured put that's deep in the money, and I don't really want to buy Riot at $12 when it's at 9 something. So we're going to look at, we could just let that exercise and then on Monday sell call options on the 100 shares of Riot. That might be a good option. Not my preferred, but if we look at rolling it, so this is where it can kind of trap you. Even if we keep that $12 for some reason, new expiration, good, okay. We may actually have to pay out even because so much at that price, so much of the value of that option is in the difference between the strike price and the price that it's trading at right now. It's like $3, basically a third of the price above it. So virtually all of that value is going to be the intrinsic value instead of the time value or the extrinsic value, which decays over time. So since this one's about to expire, that the extrinsic value is virtually gone. But again, the value is almost all in the intrinsic value, or how deep it is in the money. Yeah, this is just looking worse and worse, actually. So we'll look at our other options. It'd be great if we could come down. So if we look 2 weeks out instead of one, that's not going to get us there. I would prefer not to pay out a lot. See, that's still not going to get us. That's 3 weeks, 28 days. It's the same. Still not. And unfortunately, see, this is 35 days out. So that's actually not too bad. It's pretty close. I'd rather not roll out that far, but that would chip off a good chunk from. That's weird. I went further out and the value went down. Oh no, it's almost the same. But as we go further and further out, the available options get spread further and further apart, and at some point, yeah. See, now that we don't even have that 1150 option because we went so far out. So, and then you're right back. That's 48 days out. So how far do I need to go? It's plausible. That's over 3 months already. So 6 months out, we'd finally be able to get money. But I don't want to tie it up for that long. So let's go back to this. Actually, let's look at 14-day. Could do that. Or I could just let it exercise. The way these are looking right now, that may be the best option. In which case I'd be back here making another video on Monday. But let's see. Yeah, look at the 14-day. Keep it at 12. That's pretty ugly. I don't like that. So let's just, being able to it won't let me do a credit, huh? Interesting. See if it'll let me do that. I'll try it. But I might. No, it doesn't like that. It won't even let me do it. Yeah. This is because of the bid-ask spread on each of these. And even though the strike price is the same and one's a week out, there's overlap. So I'm actually, excuse me, I'm actually just going to let this expire, and then I'll own 100 shares of Riot. And then on Monday, I'll sell some calls on that. So that's it for today. See you on Monday. Bye. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh!